Hi guys, so we're going to make a wagon, a cowboy wagon today. Do you guys want to do a craft with me? I'm going to show you how to do this craft. First, you need the 2 pieces of paper. Your mom and dad can help you print out 2 pieces of paper. You have this one and this one, okay? And first, you guys need to cut. So you need scissors. You need to cut it out very slowly. Cut it along these lines, but slow, okay? And cut around. And cut around like that. Real slow. Okay? So you cut both of these out. 1, 2, and 3. After you cut those out, you guys will have a big one. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So let's take the big one. And you can see these numbers. There are numbers. Your mom and dad can help you if you don't find them. You have 1, 2. You need to fold these down, okay? Fold 1 down, 2, and then you need to fold this part here. Fold that down, and that's the first part. And then you need number 3. So where is number 3? There's 3 is here. See, I already folded mine down, so you fold it down, okay? And then you can take this part, and you can fold down 4, 5, 6, 7. So this part's ready. And then you need number 8. And I found number 8 here. So you fold it down. Where's number 9? 9 is here. So you fold it down. Don't forget, if I go too fast, you need to pause the video, okay? Just pause the video and go back and rewind if you need to. Your mom and dad can help you if you need help. Just say, Mom, Dad, I need help. So I'm on number 11. So you just put that down. And then this one's ready. And then you need to fold this one down. You need number 12 is here. Number 12. Number 13. And then you can fold down these other ones on the creases. On these creases, you can fold down. Fold. Fold. I have never done this before, so I may have problems fixing it at first or making it correct at first. But we can do this together. Okay. So we can fold this part like this. Okay, so take the big piece and fold it just like this. Okay, it goes like that. So that's the front. But now you need the glue. So you guys have glue? You can use the stick glues, or you can use glue like this, liquid glue. So you guys can take the glue. Uh-oh. I put way too much on, so I'm going to clean that off a little bit. Alright. So just put a little bit on. I'm going to get a toothpick so I can help myself. Okay. So I'm going to get a toothpick. I don't know what toothpick is in Czech. So I have toothpicks here. If you have liquid glue, I'll put it back down so you can see it. So I put it like this, and then I can pick up the liquid glue and put it like this. Okay. Now we fold. You guys see? So on the inside, you can see that it's glued to the paper. Then you add some glue here. I think I'll add some more, a little bit. Okay. I'll put this one back. Put it on like that. Okay, then you have the front of the wagon. Front of the wagon. Alright, and then I think this one, I'm not sure what to do with this one yet. I think it goes like that. But we can do this one now, okay? So take this part. Take this part. And we're going to add glue to the outsides. Take a toothpick with some glue, or use the stick glue, and put it on the outside. Okay. So we can put this, take this like this. I think it's probably easiest to push the top ones in first. Your mom and dad can help you if you need help. Say, Mom, I can't do this. Please help me. Just go slow, okay? Don't go too fast. You can go slow. You can do it. Dun, dun. Okay. One moment. See if I can, I'm looking to see how this part works. So we have this part all together, and now we need to add this to the front, but I'm not sure how to do that. Perhaps like this. Okay, this part's gonna be a little tricky, but I think this is the best way. First, take this part, okay, and add some glue to it. I don't know, I have never done this one before, so we're doing it together for the first time. I hope it's correct. Add some glue. And then put it on the 14. Do you guys see that 14? and you add it there. And you push down hard so it won't move. Okay, keep it still. Alright, so it's like that. Now, we're going to glue. Let's try gluing. Let's flip this back. Flip it back like that. And we will put glue on the 10 and 11. 10 and 11, okay? Whoa. It's got a lot of glue on it now. Gotta take some glue off. Too much glue. Okay. Now. Okay. Do you guys see this? Alright. Let's hold this together. Like that. And then we're going to flip this thing back down, okay? Back down. So flip it on to the 10 and 11, the part you have glue on. Go slow. And if you need your mom and dad's help, just ask for mom and dad for help. Alright, I'm pushing down here. And I'm pushing down here. Okay, hold it down for a minute. Just hold it. Just hold it down. And now we're going to add glue to the 9 and the 8. Okay? 9 and the 8. There's 9 and 8. Okay, now we can flip down this main part. Okay, flip it down. Flip it onto the 8. Voila! Almost. Almost. Hold it down so it'll stay. I think that's right. What do you think? Did I do it correct? Maybe this part needs to go down. I think this part needs to go down a little bit. Maybe your mom and dad can help you. Or we can leave it there and it'll just be a higher up chair. That's okay. So now we have our wagon. This part's messed up, but maybe you did better than mine, or your mom and dad can help you do better than mine. Okay? Alright. Then they sit on this thing, and they have horses here, but we don't have horses. Okay? So we have our wagon. Voila! It's awesome. It's cool. There's no horses. But this is what cars were like in the old days. In the American West, in the state and country I'm from, a long time ago, people, they rode on these wagons, okay? Alright, guys. Good job. I'm proud of you. I hope you did better than my spot here. I'm sorry, moms and dads, if I messed up the craft for some of them. But I hope they didn't get too messed up and you guys can maybe fix them. Alright, thank you guys.